Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly reset iTunes on Windows 11. If iTunes on your Windows 11 PC has started crashing, freezing, or refusing to sync, or throwing random error messages, a reset can often solve the problem in just a few minutes. Over time, corrupted cache files, faulty updates, or misconfigured settings can cause the app to behave unpredictably. Instead of spending hours troubleshooting, resetting iTunes restores it to a clean, stable state while keeping your music library and media files safe. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the start button and then choose the settings app. After that, hit the apps option located in the left sidebar. Then you have to choose install the apps option. After that, scroll down to find iTunes and then hit the triple dot button located right next to it. After that, choose Advanced Options in the menu. Then you have to scroll down a bit and click on the reset option and confirm it if prompted. It's worth pointing out that it will get rid of the app related settings. However, your music library stored on your computer will remain safe. After that, you have to restart your computer. Resetting iTunes on Windows 11 is one of the quickest and most effective ways to fix persistent performance or syncing problems. So, whether you choose to repair, reset, or fully reinstall the app, the process is pretty straightforward and safe when done correctly. After completing the reset, restart your PC and open iTunes to ensure everything runs smoothly. With a fresh start, you soon notice improved stability, faster performance, and fewer unexpected errors. Now that you have unlocked this pretty useful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives in order to make iTunes work and behave smoothly on your device. And I'll catch you up in the next one.